Titles are just as important as thumbnails. They go hand in hand to earn the click. So here's how to generate them with Pixels. First of all, in the prompt field, type what your video is about. For example, create titles for my video about how hackers broke into the FBI, and then click generate. You'll get 3 different options based on proven YouTube title formats, like the curiosity-based one, so that could be what really happened when hackers infiltrated the FBI, or a statement-based one, the terrifying day hackers destroyed FBI security, or story-based, the untold method hackers used to breach the FBI. If you like one, you can copy it right away, or you can click more to fine-tune it. You can then reword it, reverb it, you can shorten it, you can lengthen it, you can add emphasis, or you can click brainstorm to generate new options based on the tone, like controversial, inspirational, and many more. And by the way, once the initial titles are generated, you can keep editing them for free. There's no extra credits needed. And of course, if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to open a support ticket, as we're always happy to help out.